Hello, good morning, students. Today is Monday, and now I am going to handle 8th standard social science, unit 4, People's Revolt. Here, People's Revolt means people's rebel. See here, revolt means rebellion. Here I have written as revolt. Revolt means rebellion. Rebellion. That is rebel. Rebel. Revolt means, here you have revolt. Meaning for revolt is rebel. And also rebellion. That is Puratchi. I have given at the top. People's revolt means Makkal Puratchi. The meaning is revolt means rebellion and rebel. People's revolt means Makkal Puratchi. Then here we come to learning objectives. To know the Palayakarar system in Tamil Nadu. To know the Palayakara system in Tamil Nadu. Here Palayakarar means the people who live in Palayam. Palayam is a place. In that place, the people who live there in Palayam is known as Palayakarar. Second one is to understand the role of Pulithevar and Kattabomman in the anti-British uprising. Here, Pulithevar and Kattabomman, both these Palayakaras were against British. So, to understand the role, both of these role, we are going to understand from this lesson. To know about the South Indian Rebellion. This is also revolt. Rebellion means revolt. South Indian revolt we are going to study in this lesson. To know the causes and effects of Vellore Mutiny. To know the causes and effects of Vellore Mutiny. Here I will give the meaning for causes. Here causes means reason. Causes means reason. To know the reason. And effects. Effects means result. To know the reason and result of Vellore Mutiny. To know the, see here again, I'll give you the meaning. Causes means reason. Write it down. Write the meaning in your classwork note or in your book itself. Causes means reason and effects means result. I have also given the Tamil meaning. Causes Karanam. Effects means result. Vilaivu. Illana Palan. I have given the Tamil meaning also. Write it down. Okay, students, finish writing. Then, to know the causes and effects of Vellore Mutiny, to understand the causes and impacts of revolt of 1857. Here also revolt means rebellion. Revolt in 1857. Rebellion which took place in the year 1857. To understand the causes means I have given the meaning reason. I have given the meaning reason. And impacts means result. Again, I'll show you the meaning. See here, you write down the meaning. For causes, reason, you write the Tamil meaning, Karanam. And also effects, result. Tamil meaning, Vilaivu. Impacts, also result. Tamil meaning, Vilaivu. You write it down. The meaning for causes, effects and impacts. Causes means reason, effects means result and impacts is also result. You have to know the reason and the result of the revolt and the mutiny, Vellore Mutiny. Okay. Then I'll come to the introduction. Here, the establishment of political and economic dominance by the British over many parts of India after the Battle of Plassey, which took place in 1757, disrupted the political, social, and economic order of the country. Here, establishment means set up. See here the meaning. Establishment. Establishment means set up. You also write the meaning. Dominance means control. Establish, set up, dominance, control. The British took many parts of the country in India and brought under their control. Establish means set up. Dominance means control. Okay, students. Here, the establishment of political and economic dominance by the British over many parts of India after the Battle of Plassey, 1757, disrupted the political, social, and economic order of the country. Here, the Battle of Plassey, which took place in 1757, it was fought by the British, and here British won the battle. And here many parts of India was brought under their control. So economic and political order of the country was disrupted. Here disrupt means பாதிப்பு. Here see the meaning. Disrupt means பாதிப்பு. Social and economic control was disrupted. Next meaning, divesting means வேறுபாடு. You write the meaning, divesting, வேறுபாடு. You can also write in your book itself. Disrupt, you write R-U-P-T here. Disrupt, R-U-P-T. Disrupt and divesting, T-I-N-G. This is T-I-N-G. Divesting, வேறுபாடு. You write the meaning for both these words. Then again, this led to the divesting many landlords and chieftains of their power and estates. Here landlords means who own land. Landlords, write the meaning. Landlords, that is land owner. Here landlords, land owner. Chieftains, they rule a part. Chieftains means those who rule a part. Write the meaning for both. Landlords means land owner, O-W-N-E-R, L-A-N-D, land, O-W-N-E-R, land owner. Chieftains means they rule a part. Okay, power means force, F-O-R-C-E, force. I have given previously the meaning for revolt, rebel. Landlord means land owner. Chieftains means they rule a part. One who rules a part. They rule a part. Power means force. Write the meaning for these three words. You can write it in your book itself. Okay, students. Here, this led to the divesting many landlords and chieftains of their power against the British. Here, the landlords and chieftains. Okay, students. இப்போ வந்து லேண்ட்லார்ட்ஸ்க்கும் சீஃப்டெயின்ஸ்க்கும் கொஞ்சம் வேறுபாடு ஏற்பட்டது அவங்க பவரில். சரியா, அவங்க பவரில் வந்து வேறுபாடு ஏற்பட்டது. நேச்சுரலி மெனி ஆஃப் தெம் ரிவோல்டட் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் த பிரிட்டிஷ். ரிவோல்ட்னா திரும்ப எல்லா மக்களும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, புரட்சி பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. பிரிட்டிஷ் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் பிரிட்டிஷ் வந்து ரிபல் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. The English assumed the right of collecting the annual tribute from the பாளையக்காரர். பாளையக்காரர்கிட்டேருந்து இங்கிலீஷ் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஆனுவல் ட்ரிபியூட் மீன்ஸ் டேக்ஸ், ஏர்லி டேக்ஸு, வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை டேக்ஸ் வாங்குறத வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் வந்து பாளையக்காரர்ஸ்டேருந்து வாங்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பிரிட்டிஷ் வாஸ் ஆஃபர்ட் பை த புலித்தேவர். இந்த ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஃபார் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ்? ஐ கிவ் யூ த மீனிங் ஃபார் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். Resistance means he began to oppose, RES, here you have the meaning, RESISTANCE, resistance, OPPOSE, oppose. I have given the Tamil meaning also, எதிர். இவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா எதிர்க்க ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. யார்? புலித்தேவர் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து பிரிட்டிஷை வந்து எதிர்க்க ஆரம்பித்தார். he was against the British. He opposed the British. RESISTANCE, resistance means opposed. OPPOSE, oppose, எதிர்த்தல். பிரிட்டிஷ்காரங்களை வந்து புலித்தேவர் வந்து எதிர்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட், அதர் பாளையக்காரஸ் ஆல்சோ, அதர் பாளையக்காரஸ், வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மன், ஊமத்துரை, மருது பிரதர்ஸ் அண்ட் தீரன் சின்னமலை, இவங்க எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணாங்க, இவங்களும் பாளையக்காரஸ் தான். இவங்களும் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, பிரிட்டிஷை எதிர்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஹியர் ஐ வில் ஸ்டாப். ரெஸ்ட் ஐ வில் கண்டினியூ த நெக்ஸ்ட் டே. ஆரிஜின் ஆஃப் பாளையம், then the other topics also I will start next day. Early revolts of South India. Here now you study the learning objectives. Then the introduction, you have to study, and you write the Battle of Plassey, when was it fought and who won the battle here. The Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757. British won this battle. Then you also write the Palayakaras. Who are the Palayakaras? The people who live in the Palayam. Palayam is a place. Here, who were against the British? Pulithevar and Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Oomathurai, Marudu brothers and Dheeran Chinnamalai were against the British. They opposed the British. Here you write these important key sentences once in your classwork note and submit as homework. Okay students, thank you students. Go through the introduction and learning objectives.